Apple. I eat an apple every day. Blue. The sky is blue. Clock. The clock is on the wall. Color. What color is your bag? Different. This book is different. Earth. The earth is round. Film. This film is interesting. Glad. I am glad to see you. Hour. I study for 1 hour. Just. I just finished my homework. Love. I love my family. Number. What is your phone number? Pencil. I write with a pencil. Quick. He gives a quick answer. Rain. The rain is heavy. Simple. This question is simple. Summer. Summer is hot. Town. I live in a small town. Tree. The tree is tall. Window. Please open the window. Address. What is your address? Building. This building is tall. Computer. I use a computer at school. Cross. We cross the road carefully. Desk. The book is on the desk. Ear. My ear hurts. Fish. The fish swims in the water. Glass. The glass is full of milk. Ice. The ice is cold. Key. I lost my key. Minute. Wait 1 minute, please. Office. My father is in the office. Parent. My parent helps me study. Post. I send a post online. Rock. The rock is big. Search. I search for information. Sport. Football is my favorite sport. Tea. I drink tea in the morning. Valley. The valley is green. Walk. I walk to school. Airport. The airport is busy. Baby. The baby is sleeping. Card. I have a new card. Central. The hotel is in a central area. Direction. Which direction should we go? Dollar. This book costs $1. Fruit. I eat fruit every day. Gift. This gift is for you. High. The mountain is high. Illness. His illness is serious.